Hello students, let us discuss a question from the topic collisions and center of mass which appeared in previous JEE mains question, and it is from the 2020th year. The machine gun of mass 10 kilograms fires 20 grams bullets at the rate of 180 bullets per minute with a speed of 100 meters per second each. The recoil velocity of the gun is. So the question is very simple here. It is based on the conservation of linear momentum. The situation you can understand something like this. Initially there is a gun. From the gun bullets are coming out. From the gun bullets are coming out. Okay, so assume this is initially at rest, so that means it is having the zero linear momentum. So when the bullets come out, so when the bullets are coming out, that's the mass of the bullets will be, these are coming out, each mass is given, so the gun will recoil in the backside direction. So the gun will recoil in the backside direction. So the gun will moving in the backside direction with a velocity v2. Let's say bullet velocity will be v1. So very simple here. I can consider this will be m1 and this will be m2 here. So conservation of linear momentum will give you, as the initial linear momentum is 0, then final linear momentum is also 0. So that means m2 v2 will be the momentum system carries in the backward direction. Same momentum will carry in the forward direction also. So I can write here m1 v1. See very carefully here, the machine gun fires 20 bullets, 20 gram bullets at a rate of 180 bullets per minute. In 1 minute it fires 180 bullets. The recoil velocity of the gun we need to write. So how many bullets, that means the total mass I need to write here. So I need to write the m1 means total mass. So total mass I need to write here. So how many bullets it is firing? So that is 20 grams will be the mass of each bullet. So there are how many will be there? N number of bullets will be there per second. N number per second. Number per second. So that means m1 will be is equal to 20 grams the mass, and n will be 180 bullets per minute, that means 180 by 60 per second. Okay, so I can substitute here. M2 value will be mass of the gun, which is given as 10 kilograms. Then V2 I need to calculate here. Then total mass which is coming out per second will be 20 grams into 180 by 60. So 180 by 60 comes out to be 3 into V1. So V1 is also given with a speed of 100 meters per second, that is 10 v2 will be is equal to, so 20 into 3 into v1 it is given as 100. So from here v2 will be is equal to, so 600 meters per second. Okay, so here mass is given 10 kilograms. We need to convert mass of the bullet also in kilograms. Convert this 20 into kilograms. That 20 when converted into kilograms, we need to add another 10 power minus 3. So I add another 10 power minus 3. So if I add 10 power minus 3, then only our answer will be correct. So that means it will be of 0.6 meter per second. So this answer will be correct here. Okay. So the logic is very simple. This every student knows it. Okay. Thank you.